In today's video tutorial, I'm gonna walk you through how to make sponsored video on TikTok. So, first things first, open your TikTok app, then click the add button in the middle of the lower corner, then click the upload in the bottom right, and then select the video you want to post. And after you've chosen some videos, hit next. You'll then have to touch on more options before you can tap on branded content and advertising. As you walk there, you'll notice a lot of options, and you need to touch on this option, branded content toggle, so that you may get sponsored. And keep in mind that sponsored videos cannot be private. That's it for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching.